It's a common question we get asked, so here's an example of our QWR fire collars, and they require mechanical fixings into the substrate that the pipe is passing through. Another example on the photo behind me here. So this collar is a QWR50, suitable for 50mm diameter pipes. In this photo we've got a QWR110 for 110mm diameter pipes and a 160 for 160mm diameter pipes, and as you can see, each of the collars has a different number of fixing lugs, and the collars have been tested with a fixing in each of those fixing points. So a common scenario is a pipe in the corner of a room. Standard 110mm pipe is probably the most common. We often get asked, is it okay to just use 3 of the 4 fixing points on the QWR110? The answer is no. It's been tested with all fixings in place, therefore it should be installed with all fixings in place. We do have solutions for applications and issues like that with other products, so it doesn't mean that there isn't a solution, but the QWR might not be the best product for that application if you can't get access to all fixing lugs. So another point on this is the fixing type that you use as well, so we'll just briefly cover some of those. We've got different types of sleeve anchors, so hollow wall sleeve anchors for fixing into plasterboard, and then concrete sleeve anchors for fixing into a concrete slab. The way these fixings work, you would pilot drill a hole either into the slab or through the wall, push the fixing through, and as you tighten it up, as you can hopefully see with this concrete sleeve anchor, as it tightens up, if it works, the end mushrooms out like that, holding it securely in place. Another fixing method is using pigtail screws, so a wire pigtail screw like that, fixing through the fixing lug of the collar into fire batt, which you'll see an example of now. So, just to recap, all fixing lugs do need fixing on the QWR fire collars. Each collar does have a different number of fixing lugs depending on the size, and if you can't get all fixing lugs in, contact us and we may have another solution for you.